Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a video on this MacBook Air original 2008 version. And what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to replace the hard drive in one of these, which is pretty simple. In case you want to put an SSD in it or something, or a new hard drive if your hard drive is dead or you're missing one. So first of all is unscrewing all these screws on the bottom of the MacBook. Pretty easy. So, you can unscrew the last two screws. And now you can just pull the bottom off. There are some clips. You want to pull it up like this. You don't want to just pull it up because there's these little things right here that you can damage. But now that that's done, here is the inside of our MacBook Air. You can disconnect the battery by pulling on this tab or the wire. I don't recommend doing it on the wire, but I did it on the wire because my pull tab is damaged. Anyways, now that that's done, you can disconnect a few cables to get access to that hard drive. You can disconnect the hard drive itself and unscrew it. There's a screw right here and another screw right here. Two more right here. So you want to move this wire and unscrew the two screws. If you're missing those screws, of course, you don't need to unscrew them. You can buy new screws. But anyways, this is the hard drive removed from the computer. And next, what you want to do is remove this plastic around the sides, and then this rubber, which I don't think comes with most replacements. You also want to disconnect this iPod connector, and yes, this is a iPod type hard drive, so yeah. And next you want to get your spare new hard drive and just pop the rubber on there. You don't want to lose this because it protects the hard drive from drops, except if you have an SSD. If you have an SSD, well, you don't need to worry about that. Next we can connect the hard drive. It might be a little challenging, so you just want to get it in there. I just realized I am an idiot, but it goes in right here. So stupid. Okay, close this. There we go. Now that that's done, can put this bracket back on. So now it's an iMac keyboard. So I forgot how this is supposed to go on, but it's probably like, nope, it's like this. Yep, it's like this. So get that in there. Sometimes you can put it on the wrong way, so case, just put it like that. I'm a little clumsy today, so I'm not sure if I'm using that right. I don't think so. And now my cat is meowing at my door. Great. So once you get your hard drive, seated in or SSD put in correctly into the enclosure, just put it like this and screw it in. Alright, just a second. This cat was bugging me, so I just let him in my room. But anyways, there we go. Connect this cable for the ports. No, whatever. Okay, never mind. Go down to the floor. Okay. Anyways. Can just screw these screws down. And this screw's not screwed down. Oh great, I screwed in the wrong screws. Give me a second. And that doesn't fit either. Great. Sorry for being so quiet. I'm an idiot right now. What if I swap the screws? I'm not sure if you can hear my cat purring, but this is not the time. I can't screw this in. Oh my, I think there's something wrong. There's a random screw right here. What the? Okay, let me just put that back there. I don't know where it came from. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this MacBook. There's something blocking the screw from going in. Let me take a closer look. I'm gonna go off camera here. Okay, maybe I just need a smaller screw. So this goes here. And this should go here. But the problem is that I hope you guys are entertained by this, because okay, I think there's something wrong with one of the screws. Let me get my parts, MacBook. Just all the way at the bottom of this drawer. Okay, I got it. And now I have to unscrew another set of screws. Great, I have some spare screws that I can use. There we go. I got a spare screw. Now this can go here. All right. Now that that's done, I can finally continue. Connect the battery. And just put the bottom case on for parts MacBook Air. This one has a bad display connector on the board, so it only displays blank on a good display. Fifth, 16 minutes already. Great. Alright, that's done. Now we can actually do it on the MacBook I'm gonna do the video on. And screw in a couple screws. Okay. Let's continue screwing. Honestly, this video is a disaster. Okay, now we can test it. All right, it turns on. Takes a while. There we go. Looks to be working. And yep. It is working as it should. Backlight is on. Yeah. Let's do it. Yep. There we go. So it's booted into the OS. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Twitter at ufelix5. Thanks for watching me being an idiot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.